Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to watch my channel. I'm Bisma on YouTube. Today we had an emergency, so I'm waiting for a car so that we sent a battery to a site. A site is cell site. I don't cell site. Let me show you example of cell site. If you can see a telephone pole, I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you see two telephone poles. That's a cell site. Is there telecommunication network pole? So in telecommunication network, they serve their client or their customers very well. So they have generators and that's electricity. So when electricity fail, generator take over. So and we have a system that we use to monitor what is going on the site or and when we check it, we see that there's alarm. We rush there. We saw that there's a battery. The generator battery is having problems. So in case the lights fail or the mains fail, the site we will lose the site. The people at the area will not get network. So we are come to take a battery. Just let me take a battery so that we send to the site. So this is the battery. This is the battery that we are sending to the site. Starter battery. The starter battery. Yes. This is the battery. For the starter battery or car battery. This one start the generator. Apart, everything is okay. This one start the generator. Without this one, the generator cannot start. So this one is a starter battery or car. Normally we use in the car, so car battery. Yeah. If you can see this one is a battery. Batteries. They are all batteries. They are all batteries. They are all batteries. This one you call them backup batteries. In case electricity fail, yeah, or lights out or whatever, or maybe a car or a tender or ring, whatever broke, a pole or whatever. The backup battery and the generator that hold the site in terms of electricity. In terms of electricity. In terms of electricity. The backup battery, it depends the strength of the battery. Some of the battery, not the starter battery that I show you, not the starter battery. Let me show you where. Let me show you. Not the starter battery, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. This one rather. Yeah. It's plenty here. This one rather. If you can see it. This one rather. Yes. When mains fail. When mains fail. It depends the strength of the battery that I show you this type. This type. When mains fail. So the when mains fail. When mains fail, depend the strength, it can hold the battery or the site for some 2 hours for some 3 hours before the generator can start.
Guys, you see the beautiful side of Tamale. See trees, everything, the street light, the road are very nice. I recommend Tamale whenever you visit Ghana. Tamale is nice. Tamale is beautiful. The beauty. Tamale is peaceful town. Tamale. You see the trees, everything, the road, everything is nice. Visit Tamale. I recommend to everyone. Visit Tamale. Trees and the people are nice too. Visit Tamale, see the beautiful side of Tamale. Tamale is nice. Uh, Guys, you see right there, you see the tower pole is there. That's where we are going. The tower pole in front there. You see there's a line or there's a straight thing in front. Yeah, that's where we are going to change the battery. Yes, we are going to change the battery. So whenever there's a lights out, the site will not go down to affect the community.
Guys, this is the place we are come to change battery. The battery here is weak, so we are here to change the battery. This is the site that we are here to change the battery. This is the battery that we took. This is the battery. So we are here to change the battery. This is the generator. This is the generator. So we are here to change the battery with new one. Yeah. This is the old battery. So we are come to change it. Or we are going to replace it. This new one. Yeah, guys. Oh, this is the cell side pole. Yeah, this side. Yeah, guys. This is the cell side pole. Yeah, this side. Hello, guys. Please, we have done. We went and changed the battery. So this is the old battery. This is the old battery. So we have sent the battery back. So we have a storekeeper that we give the battery to. So I'll send the old battery or this battery to the storekeeper. So I'm sending it. And yes. Yeah, for me. Battery near the coin. So I've brought the battery. Here's the battery. Brought the battery.